Hello friends, welcome back to our Associates. Today we will model slab in this structure including all the cantilevers. Here you can see the slab outline. This one is the slab outline. There have some opening and these are the cantilever portions. Okay, so let's start with this portion. Here you can see that this portion is 4 feet 11 inches away from the center of the beam. So select the beam and also select the beam, minimize this window. Then we are doing this for one story because there is no cantilever for the ground floor. Okay, we have to keep set back in that position. Now we can select this one, go to replicate, this time select dy equals 4.92. okay, then apply. So you can see that there have some beams which have been created. Now just select slab 6 inch one way, slab 6 inch one way. Note that by default ETABS will consider the local axis in x direction, that means at 0 degree. Okay, for 0 degree ETABS will provide local axis in x direction, but this slab is one way in y direction. Okay, let me show you initially. Okay, here you can see that ETABS is considering the one way direction in in x. Okay, but our slab is one way in y direction. We can solve this by two ways. First one is select this one by right clicking of mouse, then go to local axis and click here 90. Okay, then press OK. This time you can see that local axis has been changed. Other way is you can provide the value of 90 here directly. In that case, if you start modeling, is okay, then ETABS will consider this one in y direction directly. Okay, that means you don't need to change the direction after modeling. Now here I have some portion in this side, there have some portion. So go to ETABS, go to CAD. Let's check its distance 5 feet 1 from the center. So just draw a non-beam here. Okay, more important, delete these beams at first, otherwise we can forget. Okay, delete these beams. Now there is no beam, fine. Then draw a non-beam. If you draw a non-beam, the benefit is if you forget, that will not affect your analysis. Okay, so select this one. This time here dy will be 0, dx will be what is the distance, 5 feet 1 inch, that means minus 5.08 feet. Okay, apply. Okay, here we can draw this one, here we can draw this one. This time I need to consider the local axis in x direction, or you can consider this one as two-way slab for this portion only. Okay, no problem, I will consider this one in x direction, that means load will come to this direction. So here I will select 0 here. Okay, okay, sorry, this is 90 here, so we have to change here. Not a big deal. From default we will make this one default. By default local axis 90, we will provide 0 here, so it will be changed. Okay, now select this one. This is canti up to from this grid or this one 5 feet 1 inch same. So select this one and okay, then model. Zero. Okay, then we can delete this. Okay. Now for the front side, the distance is 5 feet 11 inch from the grid. So select this one, this time 5 feet 11 inch, okay, apply and model this one. Okay, now delete this part, draw a non-beam here, select replicate this one up to 5 feet 11 inch. Okay, now model this one. Okay, we will model this one after completing the cantilever portions. Now you can see that here the outline of the slab is in more outer condition from this beam, okay, and the distance is, if we consider from the center, the distance is 4 feet 3 inch. That means this one is already a cantilever beam, then this portion is more cantilever, okay, that means 4 feet 3 inch. So we can select this one. These are just architectural reasons, so nothing to do. 4 feet 3 inch for y direction, that means minus 4.25, apply. So we have to delete this beam. We have deleted this one maybe, or okay. Now we will model another portion here and modify 5 feet 11 inch, 0 minus 5.92, apply, model this one. Okay, but most probably we have deleted the main beam here. Okay, we have deleted the main beam. Okay, we have deleted the main beam from this position, so we have to model this one. We have to model this one, 12 by 21, just model. This is up to this. Okay, now what we can do, we can merge these two shell, we can merge them. Okay, then start modeling from here. Okay, by default this is showing one way, in x direction we will change its location. Fine, this we have to change also. Now select and select. Okay, just change its local axis, and also this beam have to be deleted. Local axis will be 90 here, 90 here, and also 90. Now there may have some opening, and due to architectural reason we can model them, like from this to this, this distance is 1 feet, and from the center the distance is approximately 7 feet 11 inch. Okay, and the distance between these 3 feet 7 inch. Okay, that means initially we can model a non-beam here. We can model a non-beam this position, okay, or from here to here, okay, replicate this one at 7.92 feet, apply. Then their mid distance is 3 feet 7 inch, that means 3.57 or 58. Okay, apply. Now from this beam the distance is approximately 1 feet. Okay, we can consider 1 feet 5 also. So select this one. I have drawn a non beam here, then I will select this one and replicate this one up to 1 feet. Consider 1 feet 5 by considering the center of the beam. So press here 1.42, that means 1 feet 5 inch. It will be minus here, it will be minus because this is in below direction. Apply. Now what we can do, at first we can delete this one, no need. Then we can select this one and select them. Okay, then we can divide the shell. We can divide the shell. From here select divide, then intersection with selected frame objects. Apply. Okay, now you can see this part and this part has been separated, but this one is a single part. So select this shell and also this non-beam, then again apply. You can see this time this has been divided. Now we can delete this one. Okay, and we can delete these unnecessary portions also. Okay, fine. So by this way you can continue modeling. For this side also there may have another opening. You can follow the same procedure here, or if there is any variation, let me show you. If there is any variation, I can show you that also. For this side the distance is like 5 feet from the 5 feet from the center. Previously we taken the distance is like, let's check the dimension, let's check its dimension, draw dimension lines. Initially we have taken here 4 feet 3 inches. For this side there have little variation, so doesn't matter at all. From here select this one. Okay, from here select this one and replicate this one up to 5 feet. Okay, as you need. Then press, give a minus sign here. Apply. Sorry, minus 5 feet. Okay, apply. Now what we can do, we can model a beam here just initially. After completing the model we will delete this beam again. Okay. Now what we can do, we can select this beam and this frame. Okay, and this frame, then we can divide the shell. Okay, we can divide the shell. Apply. Now what we can do, we can select this one, go to reshape object. Fine, then select this one, drag this point from here to here. Okay, then again drag this point from here to here. So you can see that model has been reshaped. Now we can delete these unnecessary beams. Okay, now if we need to create the opening, okay, what we can do, we can do one thing like this is the position. Okay, not a big deal. From here the distance is from the center, the distance is approximately 8 feet 2 inches and the mid distance between them is 3 feet 7, that means 8 feet 2. So draw or model a beam here. We can model non-beam. Okay, that then replicate this one in x direction for minus 8.17. Okay, then apply. Okay, then select this one, minus 3 feet 7, that means 3.58. Apply. Okay, now the distance we already know is 1 feet 5 inches. So model a non-beam here. Okay, here you can see the distance. This is 1 feet. So we can consider more 5 inches from center of the beam. So let's replicate this one up to minus 1.57 or 58, that means 17 inches. Apply. Now we can select this one, maybe this one will not be divided, other will be divided. Okay, sorry, I replicated. Sorry, no need of this one. Select this one this one, this one, this one. Now divide the frame, divide the shell. Okay, this one. Okay, as I told, apply. Okay. Now you can delete this portion. Select this one, select this one, select this one, and also this one. Edit. Delete. Now, if you need to finalize this portion, what we can do? We can draw a beam here. We can draw a non-beam here. We will reshape the object again. Okay, we will reshape the object again. Let me check the distances from here. 5 feet, and this one was 4 feet 3. That means we have to replicate by 9 inches. So go to the replicate icon again. This time it will be minus 9 inches 0.75. Okay, apply. Sorry, select this one, then apply. This time this will be 0.75 because this is in upper direction. So apply. Now select this one, reshape object. You can reshape them. Okay. Now we just delete unnecessary portions. Okay. Hope you can understand the total procedure. I have done as it is model like our CAD. Now we can merge them. Okay, we can merge them. We can't merge more than 2 shells at a time. Okay, now we can select these two. Now select these two. Merge. Okay. Now just complete modeling for this portion. Select them. Okay, and check the CAD dimension. The CAD dimension is 5 feet 1 from the center or grid line, 5 feet 1. So go to replicate. Yeah, here this will be 0, 5.08. That means 5 feet 1. Apply. Now from here to here, draw a non-beam because okay, there is a non-beam already. This is property of non-beam, but this is the real or main beam. Okay, we can select them both and replicate them by 5 feet 1 inch. After modeling, we will delete them. Also select this one and replicate. Then here slab 6 inch one way. Then okay. Then here you can see that local axis in x direction, which is as we need, so we don't need to delete anything. Now delete this portion. They also delete this portion and also delete this thing. Okay, now modeling of cantilever slab has been done. Now we will model the inner portion. Now go to draw floor, then select slab 6 inch 2 way. This time from this. Okay. Fine. In this portion, we will model a staircase. So leave this one as it is. Then select. Okay. last one. So today I have shown you how we can model two-way slab, how we can model one-way slab, how we can change its local axis, moreover how we can create opening like this. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.